Well, things are really starting to move on the Metro. Over the last few months, we've seen huge progress on the South Wales Metro. Lots of pylons going up, huge engineering works, the foundations put in place, the electrics put in place, first of the new trains coming into service, the depot at Taffs Well now nearly finished, and the control centre. We'll see new tram trains arriving there shortly, which will then be tested along the Valleys line. So really big progress. After years of talking, we're now seeing the delivery stage. Other parts of Wales too, we're taking steps forward. In North Wales, we've had the Burns Commission set out its first thoughts on what should happen across the north. In southwest Wales, early stages of the project there, moving in different stages in different parts of Wales. Big plans for bus as well, so we can link bus and rail much closer together, and a big investment programme in active travel for short journeys. And the whole point of all of this is to make it easier for people over time to leave the car at home and use public transport.
So once we've built the infrastructure system, introduced the new fleet of trains, there's a huge benefit for the environment. The two new fleets of trains are environmentally friendly, a real difference from the fleets that we're running at the moment. So we've got a significant reduction in our impact, and with the benefits of bringing new and increased capacity to the network, actually we can take people out of their cars, off the roads and into a multimodal transport system. We want to thank our line-side neighbours, the people of Wales, for bearing with us while we're carrying out this infrastructure programme. We absolutely recognise the level of disruption that we're causing. It's unfortunately, it's a requirement for building the system. We've got to do it when there are no trains running, but we do absolutely recognise the impact we're having on people, and we really appreciate the support that we're being given.